Kuya, dali.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I'm sorry that
Yan po ang aming concert
I
man.
made you cry.
Rehearsal lang po yan. Manood po kayo sa darating na linggo.
Grand finals.
I'm just
Mga
a
special
jealous
guest.
guy.
Special guest lang pa.
Nimpa. Janice.
I'm just a jealous
Kuya Dante.
guy. Oh yeah. Hello guys, kumusta kayo dyan? Okay lang ha?
Okay lang. Idol.
Oh, may mga request ba kayo? Bigyan niyo
Yan po yung mga guest ni
3, 4, 2, 5, 6.
ni Kuya Ray. Yan po si Nimpa. Yan po yung mga guest.
Main event.
Sa linggo po, manood po tayo.
Ano yan?
Meron pa pala. 4, 2, 5.
Bilisan nyo, baka maubusan kayo ng ticket.
Kailan lang yung concert na linggo?
Yan po si Kuya Dante. Isa po sa mga guests.
Para sa natin to.
Kamaway ka na Kuya Dante. Yan po. Yan po si Janice. Guest din po yan. Huwag po kayong mawawala sa linggo.
We're back to being strangers, wondering if we all
Yan po ang celebrity.
or have it all
Concert man. Aywa,
Just once,
may sipa.
can we figure out when we keep going wrong?
Kuya, sabi ni Vice Ganda, wag daw pipikit pag kumakanta. Pag mulat mo, wala ka ng audience.
Kaya maganda nga pala hindi pumikit.
Pagbilat, wala na audience.
Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Aywa. Kaway naman dyan, idol.
Make the magic last for more than
Pa-autograph
just
mamaya,
one
ah.
night. If we
Pila-pila
just
sa
keep
autograph.
doing, I know we could break through it. Ano mga loved ones? Ano ba kayo dyan?
Oh, speech muna dito. Dito ka marap sa camera. Woo!
I give my all, but I think my only means too much.
I love you, Ray!
Since when
Parang I love you.
whatever we get cold,
Yan po.
and it seems
Yan po yung
sometimes
pinagkainan ni
we
Janice.
always got- we hadn't had to
Pinagkainan ni Janice.
just once.
Walang-wala kami. Lace.
We figure out
Wala kaming lace lang. Red Horse, Apple,
why the
Volcan,
good times never last
Dingdong,
forever.
Piatos.
Ayaw, maingit yung mga bansang bawal uminom.
Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Idol!
Last a moment,
Galing-galing mo talaga, idol. Isang kaway naman dyan dito.
if we could just get to it just once.